guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am doing the would you rather tag for this video, and I'm gonna do more. So I hope that you guys do like it. Let's get started with question number 1. Would you rather have a bad base or bad eye makeup? Those of you that have been watching for a while, you know I'm the complexion queen, right? So a bad base is unacceptable. So I gotta go with bad eye makeup. I'm the complexion queen. You guys know I'm all about skin and complexion. A bad base? Who? A bad base what? How, Sway? How you think I'm gonna be walking out in these streets with a bad base? No ma'am, no sir. We're gonna have maybe some messed up eyeliner, maybe eyeshadow not blended out as well as it could be. Okay, but a bad base? No, we're not doing that. Bad eye makeup all the way. Number 2, would you rather wear a neutral eye for the rest of your life or a neutral lip? Now, the way I interpreted this question, I gave my answer as a neutral eye, because if I'm gonna wear a neutral eye for the rest of my life, I can wear, and I guess I'm not allowed to wear a neutral lip because I already chose to go neutral with eyes. I love that look of a neutral eye and a dark lip, or a neutral eye and a bright lip, neutral eye and a red lip. I love that look, and I would prefer it over choosing the neutral lip option, because I'm thinking if I can only go neutral with lips, then I gotta go dark or bold with eyes, and I'm not a dark, bold eye person. If I'm gonna do bold on anywhere on my face, it's gonna be lips. That's my first choice. That's what I prefer. Number 3, would you rather wear the wrong foundation shade or no foundation at all? No foundation at all, absolutely. With the way my skincare game is set up right now, how on point my routine is right now, I have no problem going all over town with no foundation on. The wrong shade of foundation is unacceptable. I don't understand how anyone or why anyone would do that. I mean, damn, if you messed up and you went out and bought a foundation you thought was your shade, take it home. You know those lights in these stores play you. I get it. I'm not judging you for buying the wrong shade of foundation. It happens to all of us. But you don't have to wear it. Put it aside, get some concealer, maybe some heavy duty full coverage concealer if you need it, and spot conceal, and then powder, and you're good. Number 4, would you rather give up primer or setting spray? See, this is why I wanted to do this tag, because I actually found answering these questions to be quite easy because I know what I like and there's no question about it. I would gladly give up setting spray. Setting spray really has never been a big deal to me. As far as setting goes, setting of makeup to me, I live in powder. Powder is my number 1 go-to setting product of choice, all the way, 100%, no question about it. I don't feel that sprays do anywhere near as much setting, have as much setting power as setting powder does. I'm not saying that they don't work. Sure, they do, but do they work as well as powder? I don't think so. I think powder is the number 1 thing to put on your face to set your makeup. Number 5, would you rather not wear makeup for a year or not drink coffee for a year? Again, a no-brainer, because I don't drink coffee anyway. But you know what? Let me, be a little bit more interesting with my answer. Let's say I did. Let's say I was a major coffee drinker and a major makeup wearer, which I'm not. I don't wear makeup every day. In that case, I would definitely still pick getting rid of the coffee, because I think that that would just help my pocketbook. Don't have to go out and buy any coffee, right? And also, I think for your health, your teeth are gonna be whiter, your breath is gonna smell better. So definitely give up the coffee. Number 6, would you rather have only 60 seconds to do your daily makeup routine or have to do a full glam 1 hour transformation every time you do your makeup? This question got me because I already knew right off the bat when I read this question, the full glam 1 hour transformation, absolutely not, never gonna happen. Hell, 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 hell to the no, 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 no. But then I thought, 60 seconds? How am I gonna get anything done in 60 seconds? So I planned it out. Yes, I did. I wrote it down. 10 seconds for foundation / powder with my hands. 10 seconds to get your foundation all over your face if you want to do foundation. But in all honesty, that's something that I could really cut out if I wanted to. 10 seconds of concealer, a little concealer under the eye, 10 seconds. Or if I did cut out the foundation step, I would use that 10 seconds to spot conceal on my face. 10 seconds of spot concealing, 10 second under eye, 10 seconds of mascara, 10 seconds of bronzer, real quick, 10 second brow pencil, 10 seconds lip gloss. Done. Number 7, would you rather only use mattes or only use shimmers? Another no-brainer for me. I am a matte girl through and through. Definitely mattes. I have no problem, and I actually really love eye looks, which I'm assuming that they're talking about here, with just mattes and no shimmer as far as the eye can see. I love all matte eye looks. I think they're gorgeous. I don't feel like anything's missing. I know some people feel they need a little sparkle on the lid or in the inner corner. I don't feel that way. I love all matte eye looks. I think they're beautiful. 8, would you rather not do makeup for a year or never watch another YouTube video ever again? Another no-brainer. YouTube is life. I love it. I'm not gonna be away from you guys. I'm not gonna run away from YouTube for a year and not enjoy this relationship we got going on. Are you crazy? I'm not gonna do makeup for a year. Hands down, no problem. Put all my makeup away in storage, chill for 365 days and be on YouTube makeup free and chilling with you guys. Number 9, the last question. One has to go. Highlighter, bronzer, blush. For me personally, if you guys don't know already, this is a big no-brainer for me. And I know that this question would actually be very hard for a lot of people, but for me it's a no-brainer because I've never been a big blush girl. And how ironic, today I actually went in with my blush, which I don't usually do. If you read the description box of what I have on my face, a lot of times I don't wear blush. So blush has never been a makeup product that excites me when I hear about companies coming out with new blushes, a whole blush palette. Okay, that's nice. What else you got? Show me something else, because I'm not buying that. So highlighter and bronzer all day, every day. Blush, you can go on. Me not need you. So that's it, guys. That is the Would You Rather tag. I had a lot of fun doing it. I hope you guys will correspond with me in the comments. Please let me know your answers to some of these questions. I want to know. I want us to go back and forth, talk about it. Please also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. All the info is down below. Check out some of my other videos that I will post right here, right now on the screen. And subscribe for a lot more videos to come. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.